Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to take long screenshots on any Vivo phone. Now first of all, just open any scrollable page on your smartphone. For an example, I will open the settings app, just like that. Now just take a screenshot on your smartphone. Now once you take a screenshot on your smartphone, just tap on long screenshot. Now from here, your smartphone will start scrolling on this page to capture a long screenshot. Now once you're satisfied with the screenshot on your smartphone, just tap on save. Now as you can see, we have taken a long screenshot on our smartphone. From here, you can crop the top and the bottom of the screenshot as you like. Just like that. And from here, once you're satisfied with your edit, just tap on save. From here, if you go to your home screen and open the Albums app on your smartphone, you can find the long screenshot we have just taken. Just like that. And this is how you can take long screenshots on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.